Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the YouTube homepage is blank and not showing recommended videos or watch history, then please watch this video. Now, the situation is just like it is right now. The real reason behind it is that YouTube recently changed its policies, and if history is turned off, then you won't see anything. So, go to history on the list on the left hand side and select turn on watch history and then click on turn on. Make sure that you're logged in using an account, and after that you will have to watch a few videos. If you don't find them here, then you can search for them, or you can simply go to trending videos and then watch a few trending videos, or search any videos of your niche to create a memory for YouTube, and then you will be getting the suggestions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.